welcome back to Always Alyssa. I hope you are all doing great right now. So, as you all already know, Halloween is right around the corner, and I'm very excited for Halloween this year. I'll have to show you guys my costume. It already came, so that's exciting. But I have something even more exciting to tell you. Since it's so close, I have decided to give my whole entire room a Halloween makeover. I am super excited. I already made a couple decorations out of paper, so I'm going to show you guys that really quick before I go crazy in decorating my whole room. I made these cute little decorations. It's kind of hard to tell that they're lights, but I can show you guys that later. But for now, I gotta get decorating. We got a bunch of stuff at the store, including some of my own things, and I'm gonna start getting ready to decorate by moving those. Aw, goodbye summer theme and survivor buff. So sad. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this stuff in my room, but I think I might actually need a few more things. So I'm gonna go in the garage and search for the bin with all of our Halloween stuff in it and see what else I can find. Ready? Come on, let's go. I'm in the garage now. It's very hot, but it's time to start searching. Okay, let's look in here and oh, sweet, our first sign of Halloween stuff. I don't think I'm gonna use that because it's too big, but I'll keep searching. Okay, that's Easter and that's Christmas. Not in this one. Not in here either. This one's mainly Christmas stuff. Ooh, I found them. Okay, I got some extra decorations from the garage and I'm ready to start decorating. First, I'm gonna put some pillows here. So cute. I think I'm gonna put this one right over here. Let's see. Perfect. So cute. Oh my gosh, look how funny. I think I found a defective one. It's all orange. This one right here looks so cute. I love it. Okay, so I have my room mostly decorated. In fact, my hair is like kind of messy. But I couldn't figure out where to hang this. So I made, which I just realized I put on backwards, a little hanger for it. So I'm gonna fix it because it's upside down. Whoops. Okay, I fixed it and now I have to find a place to hang it. This could be an option. Oh, hey, look, perfect. Okay, so all of that decorating took a long time, but now it's time to show you guys the reveal. So here's my room and now we will get a close-up look. So first, a cute little jack-o'-lantern, and you come over here. Some yummy Halloween candy, a candle, and some more decorations, a big pumpkin, and of course, my favorite part, the pillows, the skeleton, and my homemade lights. Then we go over here to my desk. Super cute. Another little jack-o'-lantern. Some more pumpkins. Some more up there, and over here. And here's what I have over here. Okay, so I have decided to make a few more decorations. Some are gonna go up there. I'm gonna make a couple little gravestones. They'll be very cute, and I'm also gonna make a few extra bats. Finished the cute little graves, and they actually all have stands on the back, so that was super fun to do. And now I'm going to go, whoops, set them up at the top. It's perfect because it says cemetery, so perfect. I finished cutting out all the bats, and now I'm just putting tape on them so I can tape them to the tree. The first bat is up. Yay, I have all the bats up, but I think I might make a few more. Making some more. Finish the 3 extra bats, and I'm going to put some tape on them. Yay, it's finished. It's so cute. I love this whole setup right here. It's adorable. I just lit my cinnamon pumpkin muffin candle and it smells heavenly. So it's the next day. I slept super good last night, which is awesome. And I have soccer practice tonight, so that's gonna be exciting. Also, that candle smelled so good last night. Like, it just filled up my room. It was the best. But don't worry, I blew it out before I went to sleep, of course. And also, this is probably one of my favorite decorations just because I keep sneaking them. They are so good. I can't resist. I think I decorated my room so well that sometimes even I get scared. I mean, look how creepy. Come on, tell me some of these aren't creepy. I think by far my favorite decorations are probably the pillows on my bay window and the string lights that I showed you guys. Oh my gosh, okay guys, I know this video seems like it keeps like coming to an end, but no. I just found some more decorations, so I'm gonna put them up. This video is literally gonna be so long because I just keep finding more decorations. It's never gonna end, but yeah, I'm gonna put these up. I think I'm gonna put this one over here instead of those ones. Let's see, look how cute. And I'll put the little box right next to it. And I think I'll leave those ones right there. Okay, you guys are gonna laugh, but I just found another adorable Halloween decoration. So now I have to figure out where to put this one. Like, oh my gosh. I found the perfect spot. Okay, well, I hope you guys loved my video today of decorating my room for Halloween. It was a lot of fun, and I love how it looks. It looks super cute. I love it, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I'll see you guys next time. Leave a thumbs up. Bye-bye.